when price takes out this higher highs and this previous higher highs, price comes back down to retrace. All right, indicating to us that sellers are no longer in the market and buyers are looking to take dominance of the market. And when price retraced, price is looking towards creating a new intentional move. All right, now this is what happened. Pay attention to this, guys, because I'm about to show you the same thing repeating itself in the market and how this is so guaranteed to make you profitable if you follow through. All right, when there's a break, there will always be a retrace to the neckline that price broke out from, the neckline that formed so much resistance. All right, now with that being said, I'll take you to what price is currently doing. All right, they created a new lower high, breaking past the previous lows. We have a new lower low being formed in the market. All right, buyers came in from this point so aggressively strong, guys. Did you see? Buyers were so aggressively strong, and then they take out this high we see right here. Buyers came into the market, they take out this high, this previous lower high. All right, ideally what should happen is price should get to this level and then create a new low that is lower than this low, but instead price takes out this previous high, and now after price takes out the high, price is currently having a retrace, just like we saw in the last video. And after this retrace, we are looking to take price from this neckline up to this point. All right, so I figured that trading should be easy, but the patience to wait for it is just what many traders does not have, and the proper understanding of how trend moves. All right, now immediately price takes out this high. This should have indicated to us that you sellers are no longer in control of the market and price is looking to switch structure. This is what many traders do not understand. All right, now price is breaking out the previous high. We're looking for price to have a retrace to the neckline and then a continuous move. All right, this level, this high indicates to us that buyers are now in the market and they're ready to take price to the upside. All right, price broke out from this high. Price is here when I analyzed before for you guys to see, and now price is creating this retrace. Today is Friday and I would not be looking to enter a trade today. Perhaps on Monday I'll look to take the trade, and by then I anticipate to see a liquidity sweep below this area. Now when price return back up on this line, I know price is about to take that bullish push. I'm going to enter in this on this line, and I'm going to set my SL right below this low right here. Guys, I entered the trade and my entry came in right around 59020. All right, that's where my entry came in from, guys. And why did I enter this trade? All right, now price had a lower low, and then price had a higher low, then a higher low again, refusing to break past this low. All right, this suggests to us that price could actually look towards either creating a down move, breaking past this low, or creating a upward move, breaking past this high. And eventually that was what price did. All right, and now price came back to retest the neckline price broke out from. All right, but something happened here. Price did not immediately react from the neckline as soon as it gets to the neckline, and this is where a lot of traders make a mistake, guys. They assume once price gets back to the neckline, price should react immediately, but instead what I do is I zoom out and then I go into the 15-minute time frame. All right, getting to the 15-minute time frame, I can see that price have a lower low right here, a lower high, and then a lower low breaking past this previous low. A lower low is when price break past the previous low. All right, And now when price passed this lower low, price went back to form a lower high. All right. Now there's something we see here. When price came back to form this lower low, all right, price went back up, and a lot of people might assume this to be a higher low or a lower high. All right, but then when I go into the 3 minute time frame, because this is the bet, all right, this is the bet of the candlestick and the chart. This is the bet where every chart have been formed. I see something like this. All right, I see that price have a lower high and then a higher low, and now price have a lower high. All right, price break past this previous lower high to create a higher high, break past these two lower highs, price break past these lower highs. All right, and now price had a pullback to retest the neckline at which price broke out from, and now we're having a creation of a new higher high, and this indicates to me that price is on a bullish move. All right, and I made my entry right around 59200. I'll look to see what price is about to do, and then I'll take the price all the way to TP. Alright guys, so 11:04, it's London section already, and you would not believe what I saw when I checked the chart. As you all know that I entered at 59029, right? And I woke up, price already had this very strong liquidity push to this push, and I lost $10 in this trade. Did I enter wrong? Yeah, maybe. The rule of this to work is that I wait on the 1 hour time frame. And this is the reason why I lost. Because I went into M15, I went to search for what I wanted to see. And it was Asian section at the point where I entered from. What I wanted to see was there, but it was not what the market was presenting. So for this to work, I need to wait for 1 hour time frame formation for price to return from this area back to this area and have a retest here and then continue the upward move. All right, this should have been the point where I entered from, but it's all right. I take my loss in grace, and then I look to evolve, and then just take my experience and see what's up next. So I'll be entering right around there, and I would be setting my alert up on this line. So when price get back there, I'll be notified, then I'll enter the trade. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next drop.